Om Sri Sai Ram. My humble pranams to the lotus feet of our Sai Krishna. Krishnaya Vasudevaya Haraye Paramatmane Pranatakkleshanasaya Govindaya Namo Namaha. The meaning of this sloka is I offer my obeisance unto Sri Krishna, son of Vasudeva, and who removes the suffering of all who surrender to him. We, the family of Spiritual Discourses channel, offer this special program on this auspicious Krishna Janmashtami day to the lotus feet of our Sai Krishna and pray him to bless and grace this special program participants and viewers in abundance. Jai Sai Ram.
Om Shri Sai Ram. I thank Spiritual Discourses channel for giving me this opportunity to participate in Krishna Janmashtami celebration. Happy Krishna Janmashtami to all. I am going to talk about Lord Krishna. Lord Krishna was born on the 8th day of Ashtami, the dark fortnight in the Bhadrapada month, August-September in Mathura, ruled by the evil king Kamsa, whose sister Princess Devaki was Krishna's birth mother. Devaki and Vasudeva were married with a lot of fanfare. However, a prophecy said that the couple's eighth son would cause Kamsa's downfall. Kamsa, the king of Yadava's clan, was a wicked ruler who sent waves of terror throughout the kingdom. The Yadava all obeyed Kamsa's orders out of fear. Kamsa would burn down and destroy entire villages whenever he wished. People used to say that he was an evil demon. Mother Earth saw this and decided to go visit Vishnu and ask for help. Mother Earth took the form of a cow and went to visit Vishnu. She told Vishnu how Kamsa was destroying Earth. Vishnu was known as the preserver and restored balance to the world, and asked for him to be born once again and vanquish evil as he had done before. Vishnu happily agreed and Mother Earth left. Kamsa had a sister named Devaki. She was unaware of Kamsa's actions, though their father knew that Kamsa was doing evil things. Devaki was not evil as Kamsa, and in fact, she was kind and generous. She was soon to marry Vasudeva, who was a kind man as well. As expected, all hell broke loose when Kamsa heard of this and imprisoned Devaki and Vasudeva instantly. The evil king got their first 6 children killed, but at the time of the birth of the seventh child, Balaram, the fetus is said to have been mystically transferred from Devaki's womb to Princess Rohini's. However, on the night of Krishna's birth, as soon as Krishna was born, a bright light filled the prison and Vasudeva was woken up by a divine voice that guided him to take Krishna across the Yamuna and leave him with his dear friend Nandaraja, the head of the Gopa tribe. Nandaraja and his wife Yashoda had also given birth to a baby girl that night. So Vasudeva secretly carried baby Krishna across the Yamuna river, which was no longer in its calm state, but instead was raging as if it were the ocean. Just then Lord Vishnu's Sheshnag, the giant multi-headed snake, came and helped Vasudeva carry Krishna safely across the river. Vasudeva went to Nandaraja's house and exchanged the babies. His heart was filled with deep sadness, as if he had left a part of his soul behind. He headed back to the prison with the exchanged baby, who gave a loud cry as soon as she lay next to Devaki. The guards informed Kamsa that Devaki's eighth child was finally born. Devaki begged Kamsa not to kill the baby. She pleaded that the prophecy must have been wrong, as the son was meant to bring the end of Kamsa, but to no avail. When Kamsa tried to kill the exchanged baby, He transformed into goddess Durga and warned him that his death had arrived in his kingdom and would come back to punish Kansa for his sins. The Kansa would find no peace and keep thinking about his end. She said that she could kill him then and there, but Kansa's end had to be timely, and then the goddess vanished. Krishna grew up at Gokula with Yashoda. One day, Krishna found an old lady who sold fruits. He asked for some fruits, and the lady said he could have them for free. Krishna would not take it for free and told her to wait. He ran into his home and called for his mother, Yashoda, who was not at home. So Krishna went in search of something which he could give the woman as a payment. He found some grains and poured them in his hands. Because his hands were little, by the time he got to the lady, there were only 5 or 6 grains left. The woman accepted them, placed them in her basket, then gave Krishna the mangoes. The woman started to leave when the basket she was carrying felt heavier. She looked inside and saw that the grains had somehow become gems. There are still more beautiful stories about Krishna. Thank you. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare.
Om Shri Sai Ram. I thank Spiritual Discourses channel for giving me this opportunity to participate in the Krishna Janmashtami celebration. Happy Krishna Janmashtami to all. I am going to talk about the significance of Lord Krishna. Lord Krishna is a major deity in Hinduism. He is worshipped as the 8th avatar of Vishnu and also as the supreme god in his own right. He is the god of protection, compassion, tenderness, love, and is one of the most popular and widely revered among Indian divinities. Lord Krishna's birthday is celebrated every year by Hindus on Krishna Janmashtami. Lord Vishnu, who is revered as the sustainer of the universe, reincarnated in different forms in the Satya Yuga, Treta Yuga, and Dwapara Yuga. His 10th avatar is yet to appear and is expected to arrive when adharma crosses boundaries of one's imagination in Kali Yuga to restore dharma. The yugas represent the endless cycle of birth and death, and each of his avatars serves a definite purpose. Moreover, the chronology of his avatar also points towards how evolution took place. Let's understand each of the avatar and their significance. Matsya Avatar. Lord Vishnu appeared in the form of a fish to save Manu from Pralaya. Interestingly, fish was one of the first form of life. Evolution began underwater and hence significance of the Matsya Avatar. Kurma Avatar. As Kurma or a tortoise, Lord Vishnu bore the weight of the Mandara mountain when the Devas and the Asuras were churning the Kshirasagara for the divine nectar. Interestingly, in terms of evolution, a tortoise is an amphibian that can survive both underwater and on the land. Varaha Avatar. As Varaha or the wild boar, Lord Vishnu fought a fierce battle with Hiranyakashaya to save Earth. Hiranyakashaya had drowned the Earth away from the universe. Lord Vishnu scooped out Earth from the ocean of negativity with his tusks and thus protected it from getting doomed. Narasimha Avatar. Lord Vishnu appeared as a half man and half lion to save Prahalada from his father Hiranyakashipu and restored Dharma. Thus, by appearing in the form of Narasimha, Lord Vishnu showed how the various types of life on earth evolved. Vamana Avatar. Lord Vishnu appeared in the form of Vamana, a dwarf, to restore the 3 lokas, Prithvi, Deva, and Patala, from the clutches of King Bali. During a yagna, Lord Vamana appeared and asked the king to give a portion of his land that he could cover with his tiny feet. King Bali agreed but eventually realized that the little boy was none other than Sri Hari Vishnu. This avatar points towards the evolution of human beings. Parashurama. Lord Vishnu appeared in the form of Parashurama to explain the duties of a Brahmana and a Kshatriya. He was a devotee of Lord Shiva and was presented an axe as the boon. The axe indicates the evolution of a human race. Lord Rama. As Rama, Lord Vishnu took birth in the Treta Yuga as a prince to kill demon king Ravana. The avatar also emphasized on the duties of a person over the shelf. It talked about the righteousness in a society. Thus, from the perspective of evolution, man moved away from the woods to form a civilized society. Balarama. Balarama is also regarded as the avatar of Sheshanaga, is believed to be the eighth incarnation of Sri Hari Vishnu. As the name suggests, Bala denotes strength and he is associated with the plough used by the farmers. From the perspective of evolution graph, Balarama avatar focused on the importance of agriculture. Lord Krishna. Sri Vishnu incarnated as Krishna not only to kill Kamsa but also help humans evolve as a society. By showing his Vishwarupam to Arjuna in the battlefield of Kurukshetra and giving him the Gitopadesam, Krishna emphasized on the fundamental reality about this journey called life. In terms of evolution, the avatar highlighted the strength of human intelligence. Kalki, the 10th and the last avatar of Vishnu, is yet to appear. He is expected to arrive at a time when the world witnesses the darkest side of humanity. Kalki will appear to uproot the adharma and sow seeds of a new civilization to mark the beginning of a new yuga. Thank you. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare.
Om Shri Sai Ram. My humble pranam to the lotus feet of our Swami. Krishnaya Vasudevaya Devaki Nandanaya cha Nanda Gopakumaraya Govindaya Namo Namaha. Let us see what Swami said about Janmashtami. We present excerpts from the discourses of our Swami on Lord Krishna and his Leelas. We must understand properly the meaning of Krishna. The word Krishna has three meanings. First meaning is Krishyati iti Krishnaha. The one who cultivates is Krishna. Krishna cultivates our heart by removing the weeds of bad qualities, watering it with love, plowing it with sadhana, and sowing the seeds of devotion. The second meaning of the word is Krishyati iti Krishnaha, or the one who attracts is Krishna. Krishna attracts by enchanting divine form, his nectarine speech and his divine sports, and by action saturated with love. By his sweet words he softens and calms the hearts of even those filled with hatred and makes them rejoice. The third meaning of the word Krishna is Krushyati iti Krishna, or the one who is always blissful. Krishna was always in a state of bliss and bestows bliss on his devotees. Due to these attributes, the sage Garga named him Krishna. The ordinary meaning of the word Krishna is one who is dark, but people think only of this meaning and forget the deeper and truer meaning of the Lord's name. God incarnated as Krishna to charm humanity by his pranks, his plays and his songs and the sweetness, and to show the man of the path of love and how to live in love. Krishna was born in Ashtami, during the dark fortnight of the month. The effluence of the Lord is seen with greater effect when it is dark. In a world of disorder, Krishna was born to establish order. Ashtami is associated with trouble and difficulties. When do troubles arise? When righteousness is forgotten. Krishna's advent signifies the dispelling of darkness, removal of troubles, the banishing of ignorance, and the teaching of mankind of the supreme wisdom. Sanctify every word and deed by filling it with some of Krishna or whatever name and form you give to the Lord you love. The gold from which an anklet was made can become the gold for a crown on the head of a temple image, but it has to be melted in the crucible and beaten into shape. The waters of the river might be dirty, but the devotee who sips it with a mantra or a hymn in praise of God on his lips transmits it to sanctified water. The body becomes healthy by exercise and work. The mind becomes healthy by devout contemplation and remembrance of the divine name. By regular, well planned discipline, joyful acceptance, and joyful carried out. You have heard that Krishna is the flute god, Murali Madhava. And what exactly is the flute? You must be the flute. Let the breath of Krishna pass through you, making delightful music that melts hearts. Surrender yourself to him. Become hollow, inclination less, ego less, desireless. Then he himself will come and pick you up caressingly and apply you to the flute, to his lips, and blow his sweet breath through you. Allow him to play whatever song he likes. The Lord is all love. He has no hatred in him.
Namaskaram.
காக்கை சிறகினிலே நந்தலாலா காக்கை சிறகினிலே நந்தலாலா காக்கை சிறகினிலே நந்தலாலா உந்தன் கரியனிடம் தூங்குதையே நந்தலாலா காக்கை சிறகினிலே நந்தலாலா உந்தன் கரியனிடம் தோன்றுதையே நந்தலாலா காக்கை சிறகினிலே கேட்கும் மொழியெல்லாம் நந்தலாலா கேட்கும் மொழியெல்லாம் நந்தலாலா நின்றன் கீதம் இசை குரடா நந்தலாலா கேட்கும் மொழியெல்லாம் நந்தலாலா நின்றன் கீதம் இசை குரடா நந்தலாலா கேட்கும் மொழியெல்லாம் நந்தலாலா நின்றன் கீதம் இசை குரடா நந்தலாலா தீக்குள் விரலை வைத்தாய் நந்தலாலா தீக்குள் விரலை வைத்தாய் நந்தலாலா தீக்குள் விரலை வைத்தாய் நந்தலாலா நின்னை தீர்க்கவிந்தம் தோன்றுதடா நந்தலாலா தீக்குள் விரலை வைத்தாய் நந்தலாலா நின்னை தீர்க்கவிந்தம் தோன்றுதடா நந்தலாலா காக்கை சிறகிலே நந்தலாலா கரியனிடம் தோன்றுதலே நந்தலாலா காக்கை சிறகிலே
राधे 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 गोविंदा 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 वृंदावन चंदा अनाथ नाथ दीना बंधो राधे गोविंदा अनाथ नाथ दीना बंधो राधे गोविंदा नंद कुमारा नवनीत चोरा राधे गोविंदा नंद कुमारा नवनीत चोरा राधे गोविंदा वृंदावन चंदा अनाथ नाथ दीना बंधो राधे गोविंदा अनाथ नाथ दीना बंधो राधे गोविंदा भक्त वत्सल भागवत प्रिय राधे गोविंदा भक्त वत्सल भागवत प्रिय राधे गोविंदा वृंदावन चंदा अनाथ नाथ दीना बंधो राधे गोविंदा 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 राधे 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 गोविंदा राधे 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 गोविंदा वृंदावन चंदा अनाथ नाथ दीना बंधो राधे गोविंदा अनाथ नाथ दीना बंधो राधे गोविंदा कुमारा नवनीत चोरा राधे गोविंदा नंद कुमारा नवनीत चोरा राधे गोविंदा वृंदावन चंदा अनाथ नाथ दीना बंधो राधे गोविंदा अनाथ नाथ दीना बंधो राधे गोविंदा भक्त वत्सल भागवत प्रिय राधे गोविंदा भागवत प्रिय राधे गोविंदा वृंदावन चंदा अनाथ नाथ दीना बंधो राधे गोविंदा 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 राधे 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 गोविंदा
ओम जय जगदीश हरे स्वामी सत्य साई हरे भक्त जना संरक्षक भक्त जना संरक्षक वर्ति महेश्वर ओम जय जगदीश हरे शशि भजना श्रीकरा सर्वा प्राणपते स्वामी सर्वा प्राणपते आश्रित कल्पलतिका आश्रित कल्पलतिका आपदान्धवा ॐ जय जगदीश हरे माता गुरुदैवमु मरि अन्तयु नीवे स्वामी मरि अन्तयु नीवे नाद ब्रह्म जगन्नाथ नाद ब्रह्म जगन्नाथ नागेन्द्राशयन ॐ जय जगदीश हरे ओंकार रूप ओजस्वी साई महादेवा सत्य साई महादेवा मंगल आरती अंध को मंगल आरती अंध को मंदर गिरिधारी ओम जय जगदीश हरे नारायण नारायण ओम सत्य नारायण 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 ओम नारायण नारायण ओम सत्य नारायण नारायण ओम सत्य नारायण नारायण ओम जय सद्गुरुदेवा नारायण नारायण ओम सत्य नारायण 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 ओम नारायण नारायण ओम सत्य नारायण नारायण ओम सत्य नारायण नारायण ओम जय सद्गुरुदेवा नारायण नारायण ओम सत्य नारायण 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 ओम नारायण नारायण ओम सत्य नारायण नारायण ओम सत्य नारायण नारायण ओम जय जय सद्गुरुदेवा शांति शांति शांति